welcome to this day in the life video. I'm not training today, this is just going to be a full work day. Show you guys what I do, how I structure things, setups, family time in between. Best thing about working from home is being able to spend time with the fam. Christina's pumping just now, so me and the wee man are just on the balcony, spying on the neighbours. And yeah, hopefully you guys will learn something from today's video, how I structure the day, how you want to structure the day. I don't know. But I'm off the gym, just working. So let's go. So we are just about ready to get stuck into check-ins. I had a few kind of admin-y type things to do, 2 training programs which I made up for new clients last week. So just double check that they were in, double check the programs as well. So that's done. I had my own check-in to do for my own coach as well, which is good. I have read through my Alchemy of Self document, which is a non-negotiable every single day, and I'm going to crack on with check-ins. So when I go in to structure my check-ins, anyone that I've got calls, so I have a folder on Google Drive. So Monday, for example, is the folder, and I have all of Monday's check-ins in there. Now, a few of them have got phone call check-ins with myself this week, which I try and do every sort of 6 weeks. So with the ones that I've moved into the Monday late folder, because they're doing catch-up calls with myself, I have 32 additional check-ins to get through today. And I'm going to try and get these done by about 2 o'clock. So we've got the live call at 2:30 for the members group. If you're not in the members group, I'll put the link below and you can join it. It's probably better than your previous mentor that you paid thousands of pounds for, and it's £47 per month. So I'm going to rattle through all of these check-ins and aim to get them done by the time the members group call goes live. But you never know what else is going to happen. I might have stuff to edit or stuff to do inside each check-in. So I'll try and do 6 within an hour. This is one thing that I would highly recommend to everyone. When you're doing this and when you think you're super busy, actually just time how long it takes you to actually do work. So start check-ins, set a timer on your phone. Once you've done a work block of 5 or 6 check-ins, stop it. Next block, do the same thing, and work out how many hours of actual work you do, because it's probably a lot less than you think. So I know these check-ins roughly, I'm going to be able to get about 6 done in an hour. So that'll take me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just over 5 hours. And it is currently 9:15 in the morning. So I'm going to crack on and try and get these done by 2:30 for the members group call. Cool, so it is now exactly 10 o'clock and I've done 6 check-ins, so we're pretty much bang on track with it. Obviously I started slightly later for that first block of check-ins, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, just over 4 left. So fingers crossed I will get all of these done before 2 o'clock. So I'm going to nip to the toilet quickly, get a drink. I'm going to get a protein shake thing, so I'll show you guys what that is, because I hate wasting time, especially on Mondays and Tuesdays, with food and cooking and all that stuff. Obviously I have a nanny full-time as well, and she makes lunch for us, so she always makes chicken, so I'll have a shitload of chicken basically to have later on. I tend to avoid having like big heavy breakfasts on like these check-in days, so I'll have 60 grams of protein from these 2 shakes that I have, and then I'll probably have about 150 to 200 grams of chicken breast cooked later on, just to get a shitload of protein in, and then I'll have some nice food later on once check-ins are done. So I have been rudely interrupted by Daniel, who has woken up from his nap. I'm now off schedule. Isn't that right, wee man? What are we going to do? We're going to go play? Come on. Come on, baby boy, let's go.
Где робот?
live training for the members group is done. I'm having 200 grams of chicken for my lunch. I've not tracked that yet, but again, just protein mainly throughout the day. It's got curry powder on it. It's absolutely delicious. Got a little bit of work left to do, and then I'm going to film a couple of bits of content for my reel editor, get them sent over, and then I've got a few more little bits to kind of tidy up, catch up with messages, and then yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing for dinner and what we're doing this evening. So work is done, having a zero beer on the balcony, and then we're going to go for a walk. Then we're going to go to the pharmacy as well. That's as exciting as my evening gets. I'm going to go to the pharmacy and then come back home and have dinner. I'm going to sit in the balcony, have my beer, catch up on some messages. It's getting way too hot though. Like, I had to clean the phone screen when I came out because it's getting so hot at this time of year. So I'm very glad that I am leaving and that I'm able to just up and leave for the full summer. So we are en route. Daniel. We're en route to the shop, to the pharmacy. What are we getting? Formula and vitamin D for the wee man. In the bath, we're recording a video for YouTube. I need to show them an accurate day in the life of you being on your best behaviour. Look, show them how we do this with our water gun. And So we're having grass-fed beef burgers for dinner with salad. This is the ultimate diet hack. Just use a leaf of lettuce as the bun top with your burger and cheese and tomato inside. Means you only have to have one bun, which is ideal. So this is the